Government Schemes, India and States, Current Affairs MCQs Part 2. 25. Which institution has launched the Development of Industry Associations, their scheme in 2025? A. Reserve Bank of India, RBI. B. Ministry of Finance. C. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD. D. Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI. Correct answer, D. Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI. 26. Which state government has launched the Majhe Ghar scheme in October 2025? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Karnataka. C. Goa. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer, C. Goa. 27. What is the name of the scheme for which the Anusandhan National Research Foundation approved a Special Purpose Fund, SPF, recently? A. Atal Research Mission. B. National Innovation Fund. C. Research Development and Innovation Scheme. D. Deep Tech Development Scheme. Correct answer, C. Research Development and Innovation Scheme. 28. Which state government has approved the Building and Management of Aviation Assets and Network, BIMAN, scheme in October 2025? A. Haryana. B. Jharkhand. C. Odisha. D. Gujarat. Correct answer, C. Odisha. 29. Which ministry has launched the Employees Enrollment Scheme 2025? A. Ministry of Finance. B. Ministry of Labour and Employment. C. Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. D. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Correct answer, B. Ministry of Labour and Employment. 30. Which organization is responsible for implementing the Research, Development and Innovation, RDI, scheme? A. Department of Science and Technology, DST. B. Niti Aayog. C. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. D. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, MeitY. Correct answer, A. Department of Science and Technology, DST. 31. What is the name of the mission launched by government in October 2025 to promote high-yield, long-staple cotton cultivation? A. Better Cotton Initiative. B. Kapas Kranti Mission. C. White Gold Mission. D. Cotton Development Mission. Correct answer, B. Kapas Kranti Mission. 32. The National Technical Textiles Mission, NTTM, is an initiative of which ministry? A. Ministry of Science and Technology. B. Ministry of Textiles. C. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. D. Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Correct answer, B. Ministry of Textiles. 33. Which state government has launched its annual public service outreach campaign, Aapki Yojana, Aapki Sarkar, Aapke Dwar? A. Jharkhand. B. Bihar. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer, A. Jharkhand. 34. The PM E-Drive scheme was launched by which ministry? A. Ministry of Heavy Industries. B. Ministry of Finance. C. Ministry of Science and Technology. D. Ministry of Road, Transport and Highways. Correct answer, A. Ministry of Heavy Industries. 35. The PM Vani scheme is associated with which sector? A. Internet Services. B. Agriculture. C. Healthcare. D. Education. Correct answer, A. Internet Services. 36. Deen Dayal Lado Lakshmi Yojana, DDLKY, was launched by which state government? A. Rajasthan. B. Gujarat. C. Haryana. D. Punjab. Correct answer, C. Haryana. 37. What is the name of the scheme launched to promote self-reliance in defense technology? A. Make in India Defense Program. B. Technology Development Fund Scheme. C. Defense Manufacturing Scheme. D. Atma Nirbhar Suraksha Yojana. Correct answer, B. Technology Development Fund Scheme. 38. The Swasthya Portal has been developed under which central sector scheme? A. Van Bandhu Kalyan Yojana. B. Tribal Research Information Education Communication and Events, TRIECE. C. Pradhan Mantri Janjatiya Adivasi Nyaya Yojana. D. National Health Mission, NHM. Correct answer, B. Tribal Research Information Education Communication and Events, TRIECE. 39. Which rural employment scheme has been renamed as Pujya Bapu Gramin Rojgar Yojana? A. Gramin Rojgar Suraksha Yojana. B. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, MGNREGA. C. Antyodaya Gramin Rojgar Yojana. D. Rashtriya Gramin Karm Yojana. Correct answer, B. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, MGNREGA. 40. PMUVA 3.0, Prime Minister's Scheme for Mentoring Young Authors, is implemented by which ministry? A. Ministry of Culture. B. Ministry of Education. C. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. D. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Correct answer, B. Ministry of Education. 41. PMUVA 3.0, Prime Minister's Scheme for Mentoring Young Authors, is implemented by which ministry? A. Ministry of Culture. B. Ministry of Education. C. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. D. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Correct answer, D. Delhi. 42. The Revamped Distribution Sector Scheme, RDSS, was launched by which ministry? A. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. B. Ministry of Power. C. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer, B. Ministry of Power. 43. What are the two sub-schemes under the Export Promotion Mission? A. Niryat Uday and Niryat Vikas. B. Niryat Protsahan and Niryat Disha. C. Niryat Pradhan and Niryat Samriddhi. D. Niryat Bharat and Niryat Sampada. Correct answer, B. Niryat Protsahan and Niryat Disha. 44. What is the name of the pension scheme announced by the Tamil Nadu government for state government employees and teachers? A. Tamil Nadu Unified Pension Scheme. B. Tamil Nadu Assured Pension Scheme. C. Old Pension Restoration Scheme. D. Contributory Welfare Pension Scheme. Correct answer, B. Tamil Nadu Assured Pension Scheme. 45. Swadesh Darshan 2.0, Prashad, and Sassy are the initiatives of which ministry? A. Ministry of Tourism. B. Ministry of Culture. C. Ministry of Finance. D. Ministry of External Affairs. Correct answer, A. Ministry of Tourism. 46. Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana is administered by which ministry? A. Ministry of Rural Development. B. Ministry of Food Processing Industries. C. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer, C. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. 47. What is the name of the scheme launched by the National Internet Exchange of India, NIXI, to train youth in Internet governance? A. Digital India Fellowship Scheme. B. Internet Governance Internship and Capacity Building Scheme. C. National Cyber Internship Program. D. Bharat Digital Leadership Scheme. Correct answer, B. Internet Governance Internship and Capacity Building Scheme. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.